I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day themed tiered tray snack station. This tiered tray is so sturdy and well made. I got it off of Amazon. I love that it has feet, and this is my favorite part of all actually, is this tightening bolt, and it tightens through this whole centerpiece that keeps it really nice and sturdy. I have another tiered tray from Hobby Lobby that I don't like quite as well because it is just not anywhere near as sturdy. This thing I've had for a little over a year now, and it is just as nice as when I first got it. So when you can find something that's well made these days especially, that's a good thing. I think they come in like 3 different colors, a black and a like shabby chic white one. I like this one because I knew I wanted to put it on top of this organizing dresser that I got from Hobby Lobby for 30% off, which I absolutely love too. And this is what I do to give them that little bit of extra love. I buy little candies and treats, and then I put them in a tiered tray with some decorations, so it's fun for both me and my kids. I found a lot of goodies from Target this year and Hobby Lobby. I picked up a few things at Walmart. If you're not already subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm always decorating and bringing you guys homemaking inspiration, cooking, all that kind of good mom life stuff. So if that's something you're into, definitely hit the subscribe button. I am trying to get to 1,000 guys. Help me get to my goal for the new year. I'm so excited to start decorating. Happy Valentine's Day. I got this decorative mesh from Hobby Lobby. It wasn't really working with my tiered tray, so I'm going to use it somewhere else in my house, maybe make a wreath. I also had this fabric that I picked up from Walmart. They're called a fat quarter. They are 1/4 of a yard of fabric, and I'm just trimming off the frayed ends and cutting them into strips so that they're easier to work with. I will be linking everything I can in the description. If there's something that I did not link that you're curious about, I will either find a link for you or let you know where I got it. And if I know about any sales, I will of course let you know that as well. I got this faux book that says a true love story never ends, and my little helper Ashley is helping me decorate, putting these chocolate roses into a mug. I'm just cutting the plastic with some scissors and then bending the wire back and forth until it breaks off, and they are the perfect size for my mug. I decided to put a little bit of paper in the bottom of the mug to hold the chocolate roses in place and make it look more like a decorative flower arrangement. I got these felt roses from Hobby Lobby. I really like them for my tiered tray. They fit perfectly.
See this heart? No, it's not for eating. It's breakable. Super breakable. You can't scratch them open. Shows the Valentine's Day. Look, I put that one right there.
Reese's peanut butter cup hearts. Valentine's Day themed plastic and peanut butter M&Ms. Mixing them up, they're all blended together. cherry hearts and jelly bean hearts.
These decorations are on the Nimmy's. Like these. Gummies. Mom, we love Daddy's favorite candy because it's smooth and yummy. There's a red one. There's even a red one and even a blue one inside. There's an orange one and a red one. Does these hearts have caffeine?
No. I was really excited to find these Sour Patch Kids conversation hearts. My husband's favorite movie candy is Sour Patch Kids, so I was very excited because I've never seen these before.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
So that's Mommy's riddles.
Here is a tip to make your mason jars look so much cuter. I love doing this. All you do is take a piece of scrapbook paper, trace around the lid, and then cut it out, and it just totally transforms your mason jars and makes them look so much cuter. It is my absolute favorite way to dress up my mason jars. I think it'd be really cute to add these to mason jars to do pantry organization on a budget.
Oh, take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world.
I'm just playing around with the arrangement of everything and just seeing how it looks and what I like the best. Here is a tip if you want to make your ribbon look way more finished off at the end. Fold it in half and then starting at the end, cut towards your fold at an angle and it will create a triangle shape. It keeps your ribbon from fraying and it really finishes off the end of your ribbon.
My life was great till you added
always need a roll of duct tape around, even for decorating. I'm just taking a small piece of duct tape and adding it to the center part of my tiered tray and sticking this wooden heart ornament so that I can position it in an angle without it falling over.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you that I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
I love these wooden beads. Thank you, Erica Hensley, for sending these to me. They're so cute. I love them so much. And as I was wrapping them around my tiered tray, I got the cutest idea of what I'm going to actually do with them. I will show you guys what I do with it on my Decorate With Me for Valentine's Day video. I'm going to be going through my whole house and adding touches of Valentine's Day all over, and I have a really cute idea of what to do with these, so you guys are not going to want to miss that. Thank you, girl. That was so sweet of you. I love them so much. And anyways, I wanted to let you know how much I appreciate you and your thoughtfulness.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you too.
I got this sign that says "Start every day with a grateful heart" from Walmart, and I got this Happy Valentine's Day garland from Target. If you like the video, make sure to leave me a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I have a bunch of really exciting videos planned this year. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. Happy Valentine's Day!